Well, this is interesting. Lola just saw her first moose up there after the fresh snowfall. Look at them. It's two bulls. That's quite interesting. They're pretty far up in there, but Lola saw them. We're gonna walk up the trail. They're trying to come down this way for sure. Oh, there he goes. He's moving. Look at the beard on that guy. He's coming down. Lola, no. She can smell her. Yeah, it's the first time seeing. Last year she didn't even see the moose. Now you can see the big one in front, but there's even a bigger one, it looks like, in back. Oh. He's holding his head up now and snorting. He can smell it. No, Lola. No. Those are moose. They're way too big for you, sweetie. She just doesn't know what to think of those big monsters. God, they're gigantic. Here they come. Of course, they don't care. They're so big. Wow, what a beautiful sight with fresh snow. They're massive. Just two huge bulls. Huh, that's very strange. Obviously they're not bothered by English cream puppy. This is only the second time this year I've seen these. Man, just gigantic rack on that second one. Okay, we're gonna move up around. Take care. Have a great day.